Skull edits are extremely viral. Here's how you make one. Click on your clip and go to the end of it and hit freeze. Once you have a freeze frame right there, you're going to click on it and trim off the excess. Click on your freeze frame once again and head on over to the adjust menu right here and select blacks and key in -20. Next up, we go to the animation tab right here, we select vibration and we choose swing bottom. We're now going to set this to 0.2 seconds and then we're going to head on up and bring in our emoji. So bring in your skull emoji and set the duration right there so it matches the clip. Click on it, bring it down a bit and scale it down as well. We're going to head on over to the animation tab right here and we're going to select basic. Now we're going to look for the blur in animation and we're going to set it to 0.2. Once that's done, we're going to head on over to the effects area right here and we're going to type black flash. Select black flash 2 and bring it into your scene and just set it to the duration of your clips. Next, we're going to look for swing. Add rebound swing to your clips and just place it in between these two layers and trim off the excess. Head on over to your speed settings right here and select 65 for the first setting, 1 for the next one, and 65 again for the final setting. Next, head on over to the effects menu once again and type in soul. We'll select soul echo right here and place it on the skull. Next, if we play back our scene, we have absolute cinema at its finest.